Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic in Firenze Red. This is a 3-litre diesel. As you can see, I have a black contrasting roof, 22-inch satin dark black alloys, red brake calipers, privacy glass and a powered tailgate, along with keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. A front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cool. A touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Sat nav and a rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have a speed limiter and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. You do also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is handy for winter and summer. The front seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people in and out of the car, and you also have a Meridian sound system. Here you can see the car has done 62,013 miles. And here's the service history, which isn't due till August 21. You do also have 2 keys, which is handy in case you lose one. This vehicle has had 2 previous owners. Stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.